Hi guys, this is about unboxing the 13-inch MacBook Air, which has the M1 chip 2021 version. So before I unboxing this, I like to show you how you get a very discount price using your student ID. Uh, so you can have a UNiDAYS for this, and then you'll be able to have a quite good discount. So it's in Apple Store for 999 at in 2021 January, but I got this for 749, which is a quite good bargain. So let's crack on opening the MacBook Air. So this is what it looks like when it's just open. Of course, it's MacBook Air. So it has this nice cover inside. Nice. So as you can see, Apple is doing a great job with their box, and it's some people sell this box in itself without the Apple MacBook Air because it's quite nice box to have. So let's crack on. I'm going to use my ruler. You can have it with this one. So just to peel it off the way, and then like this. Okay, put it away. Right, we have the I peeled the outer cover, then open it up slowly. Right, we have it, the MacBook, and it has another cover here inside, which also you can like it, and yeah, you have the so it's so thin, and it's feel real nice. This is a space gray, which I would like personally, without the silver one, because this color is a new color for Apple. So if you take this one anywhere, anyone can see that okay, this is a new Apple rather than the silver one. So so I'll keep this aside. You have the user guides, and you have the charger with the UK plug type, and then you have the charger lid here. So so that's it, I guess. So I'm not sure whether it has a power but let's find it out. So you have the screen protector here, and sit open. Ta-da! It's just started. Nice. Okay, since booting up, for the first time, it has the speakers either side, and it has this big mouse pad, which is new for the new Apples. As you know, it started from 2017.
Press the return key.
Okay, so there's a quite process here. I think it'll take some time, but I'll be able to set this up later. But it's quite responsive, and you can see the battery here. It's almost full, and it has nice edges, and it's the screen
Mac
size
OS
is
contains a
almost
built-in
to
screen
the
reader
edge,
called
and
VoiceOver.
then
If you know how to use VoiceOver, press Command F5 now to turn it on and set up your
the
Mac.
display
If
is
you would
also
like to learn how to use VoiceOver to set up your Mac, press the Escape key.
so I put the
The
escape.
VoiceOver Quick Start. VoiceOver speaks descriptions of.
Just skip that, giving a lot of disturbances. So yeah, that's basically it. So it's a nice want to have when you are traveling. I can't feel it's 2 lbs actually, so it is really light and very thin. But it has nice solid metal feel when you have this one. So that's all. Please subscribe my videos. I look forward to more add more videos like this. Thank you.